Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. I'm continuing with the MS Word series, and in this video we will learn how you can append images in line, meaning how you can insert image and Word should wrap so that you can put image here. So how you do it, you just click here and then insert and then pictures, and suppose I am online pictures, I will take an aeroplane and suppose this I am using. Now if I use this it will go up. Now I want to decrease it, but you see the text is going down. I want it here, so I can click here and then you can see you want like this or tight or through or in front or background you want, or like this. I'll put like this. Now what happened, you can see you can move the documents and the text will automatically appear. So I'll decrease the size and then I'll put something like this. You see the texts are easily moved. So this is the way. And if you there are other corrections also, you can use corrections, like if you want to shade the image you can do it. You see this is changed, so this also you can use in your images, or the colors are also there. So this thing you can use. Artistic effects also you can use, suppose this, you see, and then the transparency, and then these are also there, you can use like this. You have the inbuilt templates. In many of the sites you will see like this. So this is the way you can do it, and this looks pretty good. You can move it like this also. Suppose if you have the image for this third one, you can move it like this, and you see this will appear like this. So it's very easy to insert images. You can all these effects you can apply to your images, you see, and based on that your text will also change and wrap, and accordingly you can change it. So it's very handy if you want to insert any image in the document. Borders also you can put alternative text position, and if you want to change you can change it also. Suppose in behind you want, so it will be behind, it will not be visible. So these things you can always do. So it's very useful how you can do it. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.